Hello, Wonderbounders! Welcome to our new adventure headquarters.
And to another Day Tripper video.
This time we're bouncing around Southern California, so let's get started.
First on our list is the town of La Jolla, which was probably one of our favorite spots in Southern California. From local surf shops to beach combing, this quiet former home to Dr. Seuss on the outskirts of San Diego is a must-see spot. We visited during our 2021 trip and spent the day relaxing and walking the beaches. Seal Rock provides an opportunity to see sea lions in the wild, and the many tidal pools and sea caves gave us hours of exploring.
Next on our list is Salton Sea. This spot is far from entertaining as poor environmental practices resulted in a massive die-off of fish and birds in the 90s. At its height, upwards of 14,000 birds died, and the area around the lake has a strong smell of sulfur and dead fish. That said, it is a mecca for speedboat racing due to the chemistry makeup of the lake and hosts many hidden gems for geology nerds like myself, including the Nyland Geyser, which is a moving mud volcano.
We could honestly make a whole video on our next location, Joshua Tree. With its wealth of geology, the national park has a crazy amount of rock scrambling, hiking, and rock climbing. While we were here, we explored some old mines, saw some amazing plants, including Jolla and the park's namesake tree. Chris even saw a baby rattlesnake, which he got a picture of over on our Instagram.
Finally, if you're a dirtbagger or a fan of the book Into the Wild, Slab City is the place that you have to go. The Slabs is considered one of the better known off-the-grid alternate lifestyle communities, and while it has long fallen from its heyday in the 80s and 90s, much of the artwork and culture is still there, along with places like Salvation Mountain, which was featured in the movie adaptation of Into the Wild.
If you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment below to show your support.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content. And as always, get out there
and keep exploring.